I often get asked, what's the best programming language to learn? I say, well, are you looking to do it professionally? And they say, yeah. I say, well, you've got to think about what possible money you can earn. And so I did a quick search on a very well-known job-seeking website called jobserve.co.uk. And the following slides gave the answer which, in my heart and my real-life working experience, I pretty much knew anyway. Although it did surprise me, PHP and Perl were not on any of the search results, which I thought quite surprising. Python, I'm hearing a lot of enthusiastic people making a lot of noise, but I think it's actually more a case of a very few people, very enthusiastic, making a lot of noise. In the commercial world, I've never seen it used. Just so you know, for iOS, there was one job. So again, surprising. There were quite a few in .NET, ASP.NET. So Microsoft is still there. Java was not even close. It was so far ahead on the results, page after page after page. I only looked at the first 2 or 3 pages, and they were full of Java. So, if you're thinking about working as an IT developer, do the searches for yourself. Java is, without doubt, far ahead of everything else that is desirable to an employer.